Hi, my name is Morten and I'm a developer at Ucommerce. In this video I will show you how to complete the first exercise in the Ucommerce for Sitefinity Masterclass, which is help you set up the Sitefinity environment so we are ready to develop. It is assumed that you have already opened the Masterclass Visual Studio solution provided to you when you signed up for the Masterclass. It is also assumed that you already have a clean installation of Sitefinity and Ucommerce on your computer. Otherwise, follow the video in the description below to get help setting up Ucommerce and Sitefinity. Then come back and revisit this video afterwards. Please remember that the steps is outlined in the handouts as well. So after you have watched this video and you're still unsure what to do, you can always consolidate the handouts as well. Alright, it's time to get started. So now you need to open the Visual Studio solution that we provided. And then we need to go through the first exercise, which is to modify the Visual Studio deploy script so that it deploys over to your clean website. Here I have the deploy script open as outlined in the docs, and now I'm going to the root of my website to find the path that I need. See, it's next to the web config here as well. So I'll grab this path and copy it into the website root variable in the deploy local ps1 script. And when that's done, I need to go in and follow the next step, which is to modify the NuGet package source. I will add a new one if it doesn't already exist. In this case, I already have it. Otherwise, click on the green icon up here and you'll be able to paste in the URL as we outline in the docs as well. When that is done, I can now safely compile my Visual Studio solution. Visual Studio will now grab all the resources from the different NuGet sources needed, and then we're actually ready to start developing. So my Visual Studio solution compiles, and now I'm going to open up Sitefinity in the backend, and we should see that the resources has now been copied over. What I will do now is I will follow the next step, which is to set up the base template that we're gonna use throughout the entire web shop that we're gonna create. So I will go into page templates, and in here I will click on create a template. I will give it a name. It can actually be anything. I'll just use Ucommerce main template, and I want to use an existing one with a grid that I prefer. So in this case, I'll just select the left sidebar content. And I will drag in the first widget that is available in the toolbox. So if your solution has copied the right files over to the right place, we should see the masterclass section here where I can drag in the category navigation into my template and publish it. This will be the template that we use throughout all the pages. So basically it will show category navigation once that has been completed throughout all the pages that I create. Now I will set up the front page. And since this is clean and I go to pages, there's no pages already, so I will create the first one and call that home. And then I will select another template instead of using the suggested one, and I will select the masterclass template that we created just before. Click create and go add content. And now my front page has already been set up. Now it's time to try and request the front end. After I've saved and published. There we go. Request the front end, and we should now see a completely white page with no content on it. In my case, I will see the categories because I've already cheated a little bit and implemented the category navigation. But once we start the first exercise after this, we will see the same thing. Congratulations! You're now up to speed and now you're ready to start developing on the Ucommerce Masterclass. You don't have to do anything but wait until the first session will start. Sit back and relax while I guide you through the first exercises that we need to do. See you very soon. Bye.